everybody. You may see a little face here. I say little face, I don't know. He'll wander off over here. I'm just doing a quick update on my craft room. It is not done. I don't want to suggest that it's done. But you guys, first off, you guys' advice is so freaking amazing. Some of it's like, I should have known. You know what I mean? It's like in my house, out in the house, I kind of do the thing. But for whatever reason in my craft room, I was like, So you guys have given me some great advice. There's a few pieces that I was like, I don't know why I didn't think of it before. The first thing, one of the most common things was take the completed albums out of my Kallax and put them somewhere else. And a lot of people are like, hey, put them in your family room, you know, where people can look at them. And I 100% agree with you. And in the new house, I'm actually having built-ins made on either side of the fireplace where I can put albums. And my imagination or my vision is they'll be like all the same color, like maybe all black or something. I'm not quite there yet. We don't have those yet. And unfortunately, because the size of the living room in this house, it's just not conducive to put them down there. I don't really have a place to put them. So all I've done is I put them in the corner, and I'll show you what I mean. And that's okay with me for the moment. It's basically I took those two big boxes down and I put them there. Is it ideal? Like, I would not do this forever. But for the moment, to allow me some functionality, I've done it. And then the other thing you guys were all kind of commenting on was like with like. And then I also saw some comments around stations, like craft stations. I don't actually do really, I shouldn't say I don't do any other crafts. That's kind of a lie. I do my scrapbooking. I also do my Bible stuff, like my Bible journaling and different things like that. And then I have done creative listing. It's been a while. And I think it's because I have been struggling with like organization and feeling inspired. So I did enjoy that. It's like I've seen it, I've heard it, but it didn't like click with me until I saw it, you guys' comments. I'm like, oh my gosh, that totally makes some sense. So, the other thing I'll comment is what I have back here is I have two, one's a Kallax, one's a knockoff. I think I said that. And there is 8 cubes in each of them. I have been on the IKEA website. I have done a design. I'm going to get the 5x5 with the 25 cubes. So at the moment, there's stuff going to have to stay where it's at because I really just don't have the cube space, but it's okay. But I do want to show you what I have done. And I'm so freaking happy right now because things are looking so they're looking better to me, even though they're not 100%, if that makes any sense. And I have ordered a few things, and I'll tell you that. So let me get to showing the tour, because this is all just boring me jibber jabbering. I do need a root job, y'all. I need my hair colored. But I did put mascara on, can y'all tell? So anyway, let me get to the actual, like, update. And again, it's not 100%, but I think you'll see the difference. And I'd love to have your comments, and I don't know if you see something else. I mean, you guys have been so freaking amazing. Like I said, with the advice, I've really enjoyed it. So, and I have been taking a lot of it. So I'll be back on in a second with the room. Okay, so I'm going to follow essentially the same path. This is right when I come up the stairs. I've left this alone. I didn't mess with this really, other than I did move some complete albums here. Although I may need to take those back out because I did that before I was kind of doing the other. I was going to put another Kallax here. I do have another one of these brown ones, but my mama has stuff on it. And I was like, you know what? It's not worth moving it to me for the moment. I haven't really touched this stuff yet. I'm going to. I don't know yet exactly how I'm going to do. I'm thinking maybe drawers or something, but I haven't touched it yet. But I did actually move some stuff around. It may not be quite visible yet. I tried to gather some tools and stuff and put them all together. So I'm going to still be working on this wall. This one's not technically done yet. And I did, you know, kind of pull, I actually found like some stickles and things when I was doing stuff, and I put those with my extra, not stickles, it was glitter glue, and I put those with stickles. So I was able to kind of pull a few things that I had put in my carts and stuff, and I'll show you in a minute, and bring those over here. So I have been putting the like with like as I'm finding things, okay? This is my ginormous pile of completed albums at this point. And that's technically got, like you saw, I just had 6 others. So that's what I got to find room for, you guys. That's why I don't really just kind of can't put them downstairs. I do have, this is technically not right. I have 4 things of photos here. No, yeah, 4 things of photos and 2 washi tapes. I don't love the washi tapes being over here because I use them. However, they're too big to fit in a Kallax. That's one of those Michaels things. So I have to think about that. I do like those little things because I can carry them, but they don't fit, so I don't know. The other thing I've done, and somebody asked me to do a cart video, and I'll do that, but it's not really scrapbook related, so I won't do that in this one. I have reorganized this cart. I pulled the Cameo to the bottom, and y'all just ignore that thing. Looks like a toilet paper. It's actually labels for that little label maker. I'm not in love with how that's sitting, but I may move it to the desk because I moved that computer to the top there. So I do like that. So I may move the label maker to my desk, and That'll probably be a little bit better. So, because I do use that frequently as well. But my desk looks really clean, you guys. I'm so happy with that. That's really looking good. So that's good. So some positive moves. As I said, I've moved all my albums over here. Not all of them, almost all of them. And I have been putting some like for likes here. Now, I'm sorry, I'm going to try not to go too fast. A lot of this right here, so all those papers and things and that, I don't have room over there, and I'll show you over in my things, and I'll show you in a minute. I haven't addressed that. Somebody gave me some good ideas, but I haven't touched that yet because it's not been the priority for me. I did, however, take all my collections that were in here, and I have moved them. That's Christmassy stuff. So again, I have some work to do. It's not 100%, but that's where I'm at. I have put pretty much all my photos there. I did buy 2 new photo boxes. My initial thought was I'd pull all these out and put them in there. But I did our London trip and emptied those boxes because the binder was falling apart and crumbling. It took up like 7 or 8 of those little containers. So I got to think on that. I have some ideas on my enamel dots I haven't executed yet. So that's still kind of in play. That's some cards and stickery things I still got. This is an area of work to be done. I did take the thickers that I had because they were sitting in a row here, and I have doubled them. Now that does not fit in my calyx. It's a Michaels one. So I bought one that will, and I think I'm going to move those to my, I'm saving my calyx for last because I'm most proud of it. But I've moved all this stuff. I do have a little shelf. My son-in-law has a little white shelf. I'm going to move all my little mini albums too. But this at this point now is my inks and stamps and stuff. And all my dies, I actually got into my dies. I had a bunch of them just kind of everywhere. These weren't labeled, but I did go in and label them. And I've opened all my dies. I'm not a die person. I don't use a lot of them. So I don't anticipate my collection growing. I think this might fit in the calyx actually, but because I don't have as many cubes left over, I'm holding off on putting that in a calyx. Plus it is with my inks and stamps and whatnot. And I kind of want those to stay together because that makes sense to me. I didn't touch any of this yet. That's just kind of, there it is. It's not, I haven't touched that yet. I did get into my craft cart. So you guys gave me some really good advice too, to make sure the most used items are in my craft. And they kind of were, except I had a whole bunch of extra crap too that I didn't use. And it would cause me to like have trouble finding the things I did use. So I have reorganized all that, got rid of stuff I wasn't using. I moved out my acrylic titles and stuff. So all that down there is basically foam and glue. This right here has a few little sprays, white and gold. That's the colors I use the most. A little string I use a lot. Date stamps. Up here I have some photos I kind of want to do. I have my ATG, my petunia thing, and then I put all my little cutting things. Oops, that's in the wrong one. In the black one, and I have some writing utensils in the pink one. I have one more black one. I haven't figured out if I'm going to use, how I'm going to use that. If not, that's water. I've left those branding strips there just because I don't mind them being there. And I do have a hot for that. So this is looking really good and organized, y'all. I'm so happy with this. This is my little active stuff here, like I was telling you guys. So this is my ScrapRoom stuff. This is my counterfeit kit. This is just a little journal I started messing with yesterday. I'm going to have to think about this, though, because that's probably not going to stay there. I don't know how to think about that. Did move my little printer up here, and I put myself a little deal. This is a cart that I moved. So this one right here was actually there. But I use this one every single day because it has my Bible stuff here. It has my Bible, it has my prayer journals, all that kind of stuff. And I use that every single day. So I was like, I need it right by my desk, right? I want to be able to reach it like every morning. So I put that there. I reorganized that. I got rid of a ton of stickers and stuff. And then this is that project cart. And I went through and I legitimately put stuff on it. It's mostly like ephemera stuff that I need to do a layout with. So I've kind of done that to just gently organize myself to do those projects, okay? Now, here's the calyx situation. I have gone in and put like all my 49 and Market. I showed you guys this the other day, and I've done the Vicky Boot and all that. These are the other collections that I had on the top over there, and I've started going through and putting little sleeves together with the names, but I didn't have enough, so I've had to order some. So I started with just the ones that I had in those big bags that flop over like this. See, I was using those. I was trying to be smart and like reuse, but it just causes a problem. They just flop over and they get stuck and all that. So I'm going to switch all those out, and I think I'll be much happier. I also have like my graphic 45 and all that. This right here is embellishments. I don't know that that's how or exact spot I'll probably keep it there for now because I do use them all the time. And then I've actually moved my cutters, you guys, to here. I bought some of those little clear shelf dividers, and I'm so happy with that because I was having it just set on the floor and it just was a hot mess. So there's my creative listing section there. That's the stuff I use for that. This is the section I'm not as sure about. I put my acrylic titles here. I've got some embellishment-y type things. This right here is still, I got to think on it. I'm like, if I use a plastic trays or something, which I feel like I might. And then this is another area I'm going to put one of those shelf divider things so that I can like double up this area, because that's, again, that's like sequins and things, and I want to do something better, but I don't have enough, I don't have the shelf dividers. And then that's where I'm going to put my thickers down there. I've got the shelf divider coming that's going to hold those black things. So that is my progress so far. I am not gonna lie, I'm very happy. I feel like this is so much cleaner. You guys saw that before. Somebody said, hey, you got to keep your creative space clear, and they're 100% right. I really appreciate that comment. And I was like, you know what, they're right. That's why I cleaned off that corner there. I just had too much stuff up here, and it was just messing with my brain. I never even mentioned, but I do have one of those old creative memories, little trash can drink things, so I like that. So that's where we are, you guys. I'm going to keep you updated as I get like myself more fully organized, especially like those back shelves over there. And it's probably not going to be 100% perfect until we move. I'm sorry, I'm moving so fast, you guys. It probably won't be perfect until we move, but for the moment, I'm feeling way more inspired. I can reach all of these things from my chair. So thank you so much for your advice, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.